बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल आर टू लर्न। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लेक्चरर पाकिस्तान स्टडी का पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे विद देयर आंसर, जो स्पेशल एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से 2018 में हेल्ड हुआ था। वीडियो को एंड तक लाजमी देखिएगा और चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। तो चलो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Which one of the following leader convinced Quaid-e-Azam to join All India Muslim League? Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. The Muslim demand of separate electorate presented by similar deputation was incorporated in the Minto Morley reform. Quaid-e-Azam resigned from Imperial Legislative Council on March 28, 1919 as a protest against promulgation of Rowlatt Act. All the major political party boycotts the Simon Commission 1927 because no Indian was its member. The objective resolution was passed by First Constitution Assembly in 1949. The Ministry of K.H. Khwaja Nazmuddin was dismissed in 1953 by Ghulam Muhammad. Mentioned the importance of August 17, 1988. President General Ziaul Haq and other senior army generals were killed in plane crash near Bahawalpur. Quaid-e-Azam was appointed permanent प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग यूनानिमसली 1934। नेट ऑफ करती हूँ ताकि डिस्टर्बेंस ना हो। इन विच ईयर मोफलर रिवॉल्ट अपीयर्ड 1919 1921 तो आंसर 1921। विच इंसिडेंट बिकेम द काज ऑफ द 14 point of Quaid-e-Azam Nehru report. Which one of the following institution was inaugurated by Quaid-e-Azam on the 1st July 1948? State Bank of Pakistan. Who represent Congress in first round table conference? Nobody represent Congress. Revolt bill was passed in 1919. Pakistan peacekeeping troops have served under United Nations in Congo, Haiti, Sierra Leone. All of the above is considered. Which of the following Sufi poet tomb is located in मिठनकोट? ख्वाजा गुलाम फरीद का जो टॉम्ब है वो मिठनकोट में है। पाकिस्तान फर्स्ट कमर्शियल बैंक इज़ हबीब बैंक लिमिटेड। Bicameralism in Pakistan was first introduced in the Constitution of 1973. The Son Valley is the site of an ancient civilization. It is situated in Pothohar Plateau. Pakistan national animal is Malkhor. The old city of Lahore had 13 gates. Pakistan national anthem was approved by the government in 1954. Similar dam was built on river Son. Khyber Pass is situated in Hindu Kush range. How many sessions of Gandhi Janata talk were held in 1944-40? The first coin of Pakistan was designed by Brandley. Identify the Secretary of State for India who led the cabinet mission 1946. Lord Patrick Lawrence. Who among the following leaders had translated the Lahore Resolution from English to Urdu on 23rd March 1940? Rana Zafar Ali Khan. Pakistan Standard Time is head of Greenwich Mean Time 05 over. The first federal ombudsman Wafaki Muhtasib of Pakistan was Justice Sardar Muhammad Iqbal. Who first support Pakistan Resolution 1940? Chaudhry Khaliqur Zaman. On which occasion Quaid-e-Azam said Hindu India Muslim India parted and parted forever? On the rejection of proposed modification in Nehru Report 1929. Which of the following leader helped Quaid-e-Azam in the preparation of his 14 point 1929? Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. The Government of India Act 1935 divided the country into 11 provinces. In the provisional election 1937, All India Muslim League won number of seats in the United Province. The India Muslim observed Day of Deliverance after the resignation of Congress ministry on 22nd December 1939. Who was the first chairman Senate after the promulgation of 1973 Constitution? Habibullah Khan. Congress launched Quit India movement against the British government 1942. In the interim government of 1946, the Minister of Health was Muzaffar Ali Khan. The third president of All India Muslim League, Raja Shah Sahib of Mahmudabad. Which of the following archaeological site was discovered 1955? Fort Diji. Which of the following fort was built by Mughal Emperor Zahiruddin Babur in the 16th century AD? Bilal Bala Hasar, Peshawar, Kanpur most tragedy had been placed in 1930. कानपुर की जो ट्रेजेडी थी वो 1930 में हुई थी। द फर्स्ट उर्दू न्यूज़पेपर डेली पब्लिश आफ्टर द क्रिएशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान अमरोज़। When All India Muslim League was founded in 1906, one of the main objectives was to promote loyalty to the British government. Quaid-e-Azam himself founded a newspaper which was an official organ of All India Muslim League and was published from Delhi since 1938. Point of view newspaper and its editor Mansoor Sayyid Hussain Riaz under the system Dairachi 1990 reform law or order was reserved subject. Which of the most significant feature of the Government of India Act 1935 Dairachi was completely eliminated. The Simon Commission report, which was published in 1930, proposed for India a federal system, identified the personality who was first raised the slogan Quaid-e-Azam for the founder of the nation, Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, in All India Muslim League annual session at Patna 1938. Mian Ferozuddin Quaid-e-Azam was, as I know him, is a famous biography of Quaid-e-Azam is written by M.A.H. Isfani. The track of organized Orange Line train in Lahore is 27.1 km. Shah Abdul Latif Bhatti is famous Sindhi poet 18th century. The famous architectural site in Lahore, Chaw Burji, was built by Mughal Prince Jahanara Begum. Princess Jahanara Begum. The famous Naltar Valley is 40 km from Gilgit, Pakistan. Red Crescent Society was founded on 20th December 1947. The headquarters of Pakistan Red Crescent Society is located in none of these. Ghulam Isa Khan Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology is situated in Topi, which is the oldest city of Pakistan, Multan. Pakistan joined Organization of Islamic Cooperation (OIC) in 1969. Hana Lake is located in Balochistan. The first Pakistani woman climbed Mount Everest in 19th May 2013 is Samina Beg. The first Pakistani woman to reach North Pole in April 2007 is Namera Salim. Pakistan first women university was established in 1998 at Rawalpindi, Pakistan. First private airplane is Hajweri, Pakistan. Largest airport is Islamabad. The small town Taftan is located near Pakistan border with Iran. The archaeological site Bhambor is located in Sindh. The longest serving Chief Justice of Pakistan so far is Justice Muhammad Halim. Pakistan-China border agreement was signed in 1963. Which Pakistani city was totally destroyed in 1935? Earthquake Quetta. Which is the following glacier is located in Karakoram range? All of these. Siachen, Baifo, Hisper. The Babusar Pass connect Abbottabad and Gilgit. The total length of Makran Coastal Highway is 653 km. The only national election held in non-party basis in 1985. The first water accord was signed among the provinces in 1991. Mustaqbali was a prominent poet of Balochi. Which of the following dams is situated at the highest altitude? Wali Tangi Dam. Which was the most missile launched Pakistan Hataf. Pakistan-Afghanistan border Durand line was derived in 1893. The duration of national anthem of Pakistan is 82nd. The Potohar Plateau contains the mineral deposit of rock of salt, gypsum, oil, all of these. The total. The oldest barrage in Indus River is Sakhar Barrage. The largest desert of Pakistan is Thar. Pakistan joined World Trade Organization 1995. The first Urdu newspaper daily published after the creation of Pakistan Imroz. Karakoram Highway start in Pakistan from Havelian. The number of letters in Urdu language are 39. After the creation of Pakistan, the first radio station was established in Karachi. The first Pakistani Prime Minister to visit China was Hussain Shaheed Sarwardi. Ruin of Mohenjo-daro is located in district Larkana. Indus River fall into Arabian Sea near Thatta. Sultan of Oman ceded the Gwadar enclave of Pakistan in 1958. What is not an indicator for resources distribution under 7 National Finance Commission Award area. The newly constructed Bhaki power plant power generation capacity is 1180 megawatt. The Lahore Islamabad motorway is called M2. The last town on Karakoram highway in Pakistan before Chinese border is Sist. FATA was merged into KPK through constitutional agreement of 31. The Wakhan corridor separates Pakistan from Tajikistan. Ata Shahid is the famous poet of Balochi. Pakistan-China economic corridor was fully operated by 2030. तो ये था हमारा लेक्चरर पाकिस्तान स्टडी का पेपर जो स्पेशल एजुकेशन की तरफ से हेल्ड हुआ था 2018 में। अगली वीडियो में हम करेंगे लेक्चरर पाकिस्तान स्टडी बेस 17 पेपर 2015 का। तो उसके लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और वीडियो को लाजमी लाइक कीजिएगा। अपना ख्याल रखिए।